Hello! In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate the Online2study website. Now, you can see on the left-hand side there are three tabs: Courses, Classes, and More. Let's go through the first option. In Courses, you will see the courses that you've registered for. For example, these three. Under here, this progress bar right here shows how many sessions you've done in the course. Now, when you click on the course, this right here is a course assessment from other students and how good they think the course is. You can, of course, leave a rating and review of your own if you wish. There is also a description of what the course will be teaching you. If you go to My Sessions, this is a section where you can schedule a new learning session with one of the instructors. Now you can schedule a time that is convenient for you. For example, right here, these are all the instructors and their available time. And you can just schedule a time at whatever time you are good to study with. You can also, of course, cancel. If you go to classes right here, you'll see the courses that you have already booked. For example, this session right here. But please take note that if you want to cancel, please do it 2 hours in advance. In the self-study section, there are materials for you to study English on your own. This right here is the textbook for the course, as you can see. There are also additional materials that your instructor can add here if they think you'll need it. For example, some videos on how to pronounce various words and vowels.
Cake. Ow. That's right. A. Cake.
And finally, this tab right here is to show how many instructors are currently teaching the course. This is just all the upcoming classes that you have scheduled within the week.
What's the first one?
Singing, singing, and dancing.
Looks like Dad and his son are spending the afternoon in the park, right?
Yes.
Are they
And on this third option, there are languages and terms and services. In languages, you can choose whatever language of the site into your own language for your own convenience. That is all.